Today we're going to unbox our Ororo Heated Jackets.
I love this jacket.
Just wait till you see it. Let's unbox them, check them out, show you how they work.
We just received 2 Ororo jackets from Ororo. We want to thank them for these jackets. We don't know much about them as far as what they'll be like to use, but we did want to unbox them for you and have a look at what's inside the box and see what they sent.
Tina got a really nice, her jacket says it has a down liner in the inside, and I think 4 heating zones, and I have an extra large tall jacket, not waterproof, but water resistant.
So that tells you they do have tall sizes. I ordered a small. Mine is a 3-in-1 system, so it has a down jacket that goes inside the shell. It's waterproof, like Bob said. I think it's going to be a really nice jacket. The first thing I see is Ororo Heated Apparel, and that is, it says the charging cable. Yeah. Oh, mini 5K plus charging cable.
It's exactly what mine
says.
The
battery.
Except for it's wrapped in bubble wrap, but it is identical to hers.
And it says identical. Capacity 4,800 mAh.
They claim this jacket, it looks like this in the box. They claim this jacket will heat up in 5 seconds. I got a friend who was using one of these vests this year and he loved it.
Yeah, Bob went hunting and coincidentally his buddy had an Ororo vest. Again, he said he loved it. Mine looks like it came in 2 different packages or 2 different bags. One is the shell and one is the liner. I'm going to go ahead and see what's in here.
So it comes in a carrying bag. So you got your charging stuff, and then this carrying bag came with a tag here. Black and blue XLT, men 4-zone classic heated jacket, XLT. Well, it's kind of cool.
As Bob said, they heat up really quickly. From what I've read, it takes 4 hours for the battery to completely charge, and it'll stay warm up to 8 hours, depending on what heat setting you have it on. It has 3 heat settings. Low, medium, and high. So if you have it on low, it's going to last 8 hours, and then it's going to go down from there. There are 4 heat zones on my jacket, 1 on each side of the collar. Let's see, where were the other 2? I know 1 on the back. I'm going to have a look. I have a little cheat sheet. Let's see, 4 heating zones, left and right chest, collar, and mid-back. I should have known collar.
Okay, on the XLT jacket that I have, classic jacket, has 4 heating zones. 1 on the back of your neck, 1 at each pocket, and 1 mid-back. So we'll open that up here. Tina can show you hers.
Yeah, mine also has 4 heating zones, the left and right chest, the collar, and the mid-back. And this is the liner, the down liner. This is their most lightweight jacket. I'm excited to put on because I'm freezing right now. This is a small. I am 5'4", and I do typically wear a small.
It's nice, very nice.
Little fitted. But you do want it to be tight to your chest for the heat.
All right, let's take this jacket and throw it here. Pull this one out. This is what it looks like right when you take it out. In its packaging. It's a pretty nice feeling material here. As you can see, here's the button. No battery in there yet, but this will go to 3 different colors, red, white, and blue, red being high, white being medium, and blue colored here being low heat. So the jacket, I'm going to say the feel of it feels better than I thought. What do you think?
Yeah, it's really like feels substantial.
Yeah, I thought it was going to be a little cheaper feeling. So just the jacket alone. Again, this is an XLT.
Bob's 6'5", and he does have a very long torso.
But I would say this fits pretty nice. So you'll be putting your butt in here. So we'll be using this in some of our camping and ATV videos when we have it all plugged in and cold and things like that. But so far, I really like this. Now to get the heat going and see how that works.
Yeah, and I have to say, right now I only have the liner to my jacket on, and I was freezing when I put it on, and I'm warm just with that. And it's pretty cool out today. What is it, 28 degrees Fahrenheit?
Give or take, around 30 degrees today, Fahrenheit. So this isn't bad at all. Wouldn't even need the heating element right now.
So let's have a look at the shell. And I love the color. It's pink.
Nice.
Favorite color. See how this nice YKK zipper, nice quality zipper. Wow. 2-direction, multi-directional. And these do attach. There are places where they will loop together. Oh, nice. The shell on its own, I think, would be really nice, and it is waterproof. I'm gonna have a look at it and see where the battery goes and how I turn mine on and off.
Okay, taking out the charging station here, you got an instruction manual right on top, and then a charging cable, USB-C, and then her box. Hers is interesting. She can show you the button for running hers isn't on the outside like on this one.
Yeah, so right here is where the battery is gonna go. You're gonna plug it in, and there is a pocket that it goes into. So you just slide that on in there, get it out of your way. It's very lightweight.
There's lights on the front. It looks like maybe one of them's lit up. Can't tell right now.
But then your on button, your on and off, you hold it for 3 seconds to turn on off. Oh, it's actually vibrating, and I haven't charged it yet. Oh, so it's got a little bit of power. But then to set the power, you click it once, and it just went 3 times, which means it's on high. I could click it again, and now it's vibrating twice, which tells me it's on medium.
Light.
And then one more time. Yeah, and the light colors are changing too. Hit it once and the light's blue, and that's on low. I guess I should do that again because I wasn't really paying attention to the colors. High is red, medium's white, and low's blue. Really simple, and you can feel it vibrate. So if you have this on, you put your hand in your jacket to adjust the temperature. You'll be able to do it off feel.
You got to check this out.
I just realized how my jackets zip together. It's really cool. Check that out. Now it's one jacket. How nifty
so
is
nice.
that? Fits much better now. Not so much bulk.
So I'm going to see just how quick this jacket heats up. This is the rechargeable battery with an A to C charging cable. So it's USB A to USB C charging cable. You open it, you got an instruction manual, USB A to USB C cord, and then here's the battery. So we're going to hook this battery up real quick. Hopefully there's a little bit of charge. We just got it. It has a pocket in the inside here. If Tina, you can help me out with that.
Out.
There's a pocket with a cable in there.
So the cable just pops right in there. And I think you'll be able to turn it on, Bob. You just give your
Let's see if it...
color. And I'll say I've had mine on, and we didn't charge these yet. It says 4 hours to charge it completely. And I can already feel the heat on mine. It heats up in 5 seconds.
So let's
Very
see.
nice.
I don't have the vibrating one. Oh, got to push and hold. 1, 2, 3. There it is, red. So you got red for high heat. Oh, I turned it off. 1, 2, 3. Red for high heat.
Then you just click it real fast to change the temperature. Hold it 3
White for medium. Blue for low. And red for high. So let's see. We have heating elements in each pocket. So your hands should get nice and warm. I have one on my back neck and one in the middle of my back. So we got it on high. The website says this will get hot in like 5 to 10 seconds. So, or warm up in 5 to 10 seconds. So let's see.
Mine's toasty, and mine's
yeah.
warm on the chest, the neck, and the back. I don't have the hand warmers. That would be kind of nice, though.
So I will say I feel it on the neck. The neck's the fastest on this jacket. That's really nice though. Right in your back of your neck, I feel the heat the most. On my back, I don't feel it as much, and my hands are just really warm in here, so I can't tell. It's just a slight warming, I think, in there. Not like it is on my back and on my neck.
This is going to be a game changer when we're cold weather camping. You have to come along and check them out with us.
Yep, really neat. Get out there in the winter and see how these things work. These are really, really nice. These are much higher quality feeling jackets than I would have thought. Go check out their website and see what you think. We'll be checking these out all winter long. So checking out the jacket, I got the heat all on high, and want to say I'm a tall guy with a long body and long arms, and this is an extra large tall. So at 6'5" with a long body and long arms, 230 pounds, look at this on length on my arms. It's perfect. It has a really nice outer shell, and it's long enough on the body too. So sitting down to ride a snowmobile or ATV or something, whatever we have these on, the tall sizes for this, it's limited in what jackets you can pick out. I think there was 3 at the time of us getting this one, but the tall size really does fit well. It fits just as what all the other jackets would be for me, which is an extra large tall, and it fits just true to size.
Yeah, it's hard to find stuff to fit his torso and his arms, so it's nice to see something long enough. And I wasn't so sure how long it would be when we we're picking them out. I love this jacket. Mine's a little fitted in the hips, but I'm typically a size 4 to 6 at 5'4". And right now my weight's up a little bit because it's between Thanksgiving and Christmas, so we'll get there.
I'd like to say I've had this plugged in for about a minute or so, and it's really warm in the mid-back and the neck, just slightly warm in the pockets. So you put your hands in the pockets, it's nice. The mid-back, I really feel it, and the neck, I really feel it.
It's very toasty. I love it.
Got these really nifty carrying bags too, so you can put your jacket in there. It's a mesh up front, got a handle on top, you zip it up, and you can just kind of walk around and carry your jacket this way if you'd like.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. You go to throw that in your camping gear,
Yep.
or maybe in your ATV box when you're going to go out riding the trails, snowmobile, whatever it is.
Website says they're machine washable, so I'm sure obviously without the battery pack, but if you needed to wash the coat for some reason, hers is all the way waterproof, I believe. This is water resistant. Nice jackets, very nice quality. Can't
So
complain.
warm. I love this. I can't wait to go for a walk in the morning and
This is nice.
Nice and warm.
This is like sitting on a heated seat. It's so warm
It's
on my neck
exactly what
and
it's
back.
like.
It's relaxing me as I'm standing here. So I've had this jacket on, or we've had these jackets on with the batteries on high for about 5 minutes, and give or take 30 to 35 degree Fahrenheit temperature. And I'm going to say I'm going to have to turn mine down. It's on my back and stuff. It's not burning hot where it hurts, but it's almost too warm for this temperature. So this is really nice.
mine's toasty. I love how the neck feels. I feel like I'm sitting on a heated seat. We went in the house for a second, just put some stuff away. I don't want to take my jacket off. I'm going to have to stay outside.
No, I feel like curling up and taking a nap in it.
Great.
And I'll say too, we're laughing. These are some of the better fitting jackets we've had. I'm hard to find a size for, and this fits fantastic. I haven't used it out in the field yet, but so far absolutely love this jacket. Let's do a quick recap on how these jackets work.
First, let's get Bob hooked up to his battery. You just put the little cord that's in a pocket on the inside of the jacket into the battery pack, slide it in that little pocket inside, and my jacket's in the same spot, same type of idea. And there you go.
It's really nice. This, where the battery pack sits, it's little, and it's just behind the pocket up front.
I like mine, it falls right in the small of my waist, so like right at my natural waist, which is great because of how it has a little spot for it there. Let's get this turned on.
Let's zip this coat up. This is an XLT. I'm 6'5". Battery pack sits just behind. I have 2 heated pads right here, one at the neck and one in the mid back. To turn this thing on, you just hold this button for 3 seconds. You see it's red, that's on high. Tap it once. White is medium. Blue is low. I've had this jacket on today. It's 19 degrees out without the heat even on it. I was warm enough. I was a little surprised, but it is sunny and there's no wind. So we get it on high. Within 5 to 10 seconds, you already start feeling the heat. Gotta love this jacket. After all of that, we've wore these jackets for a few days. It's cold. We've taken them on walks. They work excellent. The quality is far higher than what we thought. We know they're expensive. You get what you pay for, and these jackets really heat up fast, nice, and they're really well bit, and they fit true to size.
Yes, I'm obsessed with my jacket. I got fortunate enough to have one that has the insert. It does zip to the liner, or I'm sorry, to the exterior shell. And I love wearing the liner even underneath like my parka when we were having to shovel snow yesterday. I love this coat.
If you're looking for a good gift idea or just anything for a hunter, any type of outdoors person, give these heated jackets a shot.
Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to join us and please like and subscribe.